morning. It is March 1st in our devotional, and today it says competing with others. Galatians chapter 6 verse 4. Pay careful attention to your own work, for then you will get the satisfaction of a job well done, and you won't need to compare yourself to anyone else. Galatians chapter 5 verse 26. Let us not be conceited, provoking one another, envying one another. Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 4. Most people are motivated to success because they envy their neighbors, but this too is meaningless, like chasing the wind. Matthew chapter 19 verse 30. Many who are first will be last, and the last first. Philippians chapter 2 verse 3 and 4. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourself, not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interests of the other. Matthew 20 verse 26. Whoever desire to become great among you, let him be your servant. James chapter 3 verse 16. Wherever there is jealousy and selfish ambition, there you will find disorder and evil of every kind. And at the bottom it says, mine is bigger, smarter, and better than yours. I won. Unfortunately, every now and then, people are tempted to compete with each other. There is nothing worse in sports than a team not playing together and each player only playing for themselves. Your spouse, your children, your family, your friends are not your competition. They are on your team. They are God's gift, so you don't have to play the game of life alone. Play in the team. This way everyone wins. Let's try to help each other. We should never think of ourselves as being better than anyone or trying to, the phrase, keep up with the Joneses. But I really like these devotionals. I hope you're enjoying them too. I'm kind of tired this morning. It's really early. It's like 5:30. But I love you guys. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. I will try to get a video out soon. Hopefully today. I will try today. But join me in the Disciple server. The link is in the description, where I do 3 Bible studies a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then Christine and Jess also does Bible studies. We have prayer group and youth group and lots of good things going on there. So join us on there. And that's all I have for you. I hope you all have a very blessed day. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.